Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a balloon in which you can write text to your drawing on the Clip Studio Paint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the toolbar on the left side on the screen and tap to the balloon icon under the letter. Choose one and just draft to the canvas. You can edit the settings of the balloon, and if you want to change the color, just click to the circle icon and select the color. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.